Here I have DOOGEE T20, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to settings, then go to the network and internet section, and then go to the hotspot and tethering. So here in the hotspot you should be able to enable Wi-Fi hotspot. For some reason it doesn't work for me. Here you can also adjust some of these hotspot settings. You can change its name, you can change its security protocol, you can change its password, you can change its AP band, you can set it to turn off automatically when no devices are connected. You can set up maximum amount of connections, you can hide your hotspot's SSID, you can enable whitelist mode, and here you can add devices to whitelist manually. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.